think I got him now. Yeah, I just needed to calibrate.
You got it.
Yeah. I just gotta remember. I don't know which one I got it on now. What you giving, damn ice? Huh? I said, what you giving, damn ice cream? Huh?
They got a little shop up there. I don't think that's for that, TJ.
Damn, look at them red joints, yo. Hey! Chris. I ain't know it's gonna be that warm out, bro. Yeah. Sound like the tree.
Why that one look like the guy and that one look like the female?
Yeah, I keep forgetting this thing here 40.
He looked
See,
like
it stays,
the guy.
it's supposed to stay steady no matter how you move.
He looked like the guy.
Then it's supposed to fall.
He looked like the female.
It's a Gimby. Look at them red joints.
They got
That
eyelashes.
is wild. Yeah, they do, yo.
Oh yeah, they cute too. One of the ones they be buying.
Damn, look at his feathers, yo.
Oh, look at these rings.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Oh, they had these in.
Oh, for real?
I like their beak.
Man, you got on red too, huh?
I like their beak.
Damn, look at that joint. Man, this is a nice park, yo. This is a whole lot better than trying to hold it in your hands, you know that? You said they was on here last time? Listen.
No, they were not.
That's crazy. They are beautiful. I wonder what are they?
We
know?
don't know. If we
Do
gotta
they got
walk
a
which
sign?
side, we gotta walk around to see the panel. When we walk back around here, it might be down there because that's what I was looking for. I think we on the outside of this one because the people, yeah.
Let's go in there.
We don't. It goes all
Somewhere
the way.
in there.
You gotta read that.
I'm gonna authorize you. You authorize me. That way we can go in there.
I know.
Is it okay for me to go? You say yeah, then I'm gonna say it's okay for you to go.
Why they got them dead ones
No,
out there like that?
What?
Right there.
What dead
In
ones?
the bucket, right there.
You bugging, yo. Ain't no dead ones out there.
Right there in that bucket thing, y'all.
This is you bugging.
He
Where?
sleep. He
Where?
sleep.
Them things ain't dead. What's the matter with
Okay.
you? You bugging, yo. And then you said they in the bucket.
You don't see that feather right there, baby?
He up under it. That ain't no bucket. That's a just a
The
round.
plant thing. It's one inside too now,
He
y'all.
just sitting up under there. He trying to get some shade. No, he ain't dead.
Y'all don't see the one on the inside.
Yeah, if he was dead, he wouldn't got in there. He would just be laying out in the thing. He trying to get us a shade.
Those are
I don't
pretty,
blame him, man. Shoot, you ain't got no shade, hardly no shade on him. But up on that tree. Damn, you see that? That's a weeping willow, I think. Damn, this is nice.
though. See your face.
I about to say, like, damn, this it just got some
This a big
flamingos. Damn, look at the I don't got
this
time
became
now.
our favorite.
One of our favorite places.
Look how big this map is, baby.
Oh wow.
We in Australia now. We gotta go all the way around.
Look at the bamboo right
No, we in the landing
I
zone.
wonder how they control it. That's the only, not unless they cut the rest of it back when it come up. Man, look at the spark plug animals. Somebody did a pretty good job. I support them. Nice art. This was using something that was trash. Give somebody something to look at. Y'all think I paid $80 for this thing? It's probably the first time I use it.
Really?
Mm-hmm. I don't have nothing to record. What I'm gonna record? The hood. People don't tend, you know what I mean? They don't tend to watch this. Or watch them video. I don't blame.
We ain't going now. We just got here. Look at the rain.
What is it?
TJ, you getting something now?
What is it?
Ice cream.
Oh. Jesus, wow, he just got her. Man, that's a nice little container plant right here, Liz. Nice little container with some plants. Mine about to come up like that, something like that. That one's nice. And then once it start getting old like that, it start growing even better because it start giving back to the doggone plant. I was gonna put some plants in my thing again on the porch. I grew cucumbers out there one year.
Did you?
Yeah, I put a screen at the top and let them run up that screen. They was getting down. I think I got 3.
For 2 spoons, I want to taste it. I get mine after I eat my lunch.
Hello, how you doing today?
All right, how you doing? Dang, you like shit, like the lady in that movie, yo. Lady, can I get you on YouTube?
I think you just want 1 super cup. Yeah, 2 super cups.
Let me go look that one. I gotta look at the price now. Vanilla, right? Yeah. All right. $3.84.
Your water
Not a
is
bummer.
in the lunch for us to drink. I got some.
Well, I
I
got
got y'all some chicken. What is it? Chicken Caesar wraps for lunch.
I did have a what's called, but I didn't know
With the
what.
ice cream, okay?
I didn't bring it.
You hear me, Gregory?
Yeah,
I got you a chicken
Yeah, I heard.
wrap.
nice little thing. Ain't no log cabin though. They just made it up. Nice place. Yeah, it's a nice place to go on the sun.
You know ants can carry 25 times their body weight.
Yeah, that's why they're stronger than man. That's what makes them stronger than man. I'm so jokers strong. Stay working all the time. That's primarily what they do. I started to get me an ant thing too. I gotta go back online and see if I can find a real big one. Ant farm. Yeah, ant farm.
You got a lot of them too at your house and around your house. You got a whole farm. They live with us.
So the birds don't come out in this part. They must
They
got
able to be out here, I'm telling you.
What's that?
The bees. TJ said they playing tag.
Oh yeah,
I said
them
they have to be
now.
out here. I'm
They
happy
look
to
like
be out here, too.
carpenter bees. Yeah, them carpenter bees. You see the holes they made right there?
Oh.
Them holes right there, them round holes. They
Yeah.
They made them holes right there. Yeah, carpenter bees, perfect hole, perfect 3/8. Just like a doggone drill bit. There's one there, look, man.
I don't know why you was acting like that when I was telling you. I said, when I was asking you the different bees, you try to act like you ain't know what the hell I was talking about.
I don't even know what you're talking about now.
You said, see, that's a carpenter bee.
I don't know what you're talking about now. You said I act like I didn't know what you was talking about.
The yellow jacks. I asked you about how many different bees there were. Which way we going, y'all?
Where are we going?
No, a little bit of Russian.
I think he was a whole lot of stuff. Toad hall. So what they got some frogs down here? Oh. Damn, that look almost like the thing it's bigger though at Kingston, Maine. Wherever we was at when I ate lunch. Got them free hot dogs. All you want, you know. Red, bill, blue, magpie. Is that magpie? That's a Japanese bird, I think. Yeah, because they got a Japanese maple in here. You see it? The tree is Japanese maple. What is it? The magpie. Oh, they got water in there and everything. See? Yeah, that's a magpie. Look at him.
Oh, they got their light in there too.
Yeah, to keep them warm.
Yeah.
That's a warming light. Yeah, sure is. Yeah, that's a warming light. They don't need it now though, do they?
Yep.
Yeah, this thing is a whole lot better than holding the phone with your hand. Can you go around there?
You can if you want to.
I guess there are drains out there. Hey, Maggie's. I gotta get back used to this thing. Summertime, you might encounter. Damn, look at these by her. Damn, look at that one, huh? He don't want to be seen. Gotta be careful back here, bro. Huh? Damn, they got another one back here too, a light. You see him? Whoa.
Oh, I ain't seen them up there.
Damn, boy. They got that aggravated, I think. Down. Down is up and up is down, Greg.
Oh.
Hope it ain't no snakes out here like
You ain't never lied. Down is down. Up is up. See, it's another light right there. Look at it. I forgot what kind that was.
I hope we'll be able to get to see the toucan today.
See the who?
The toucan, he'll never be out. Every time
Get some food for him. Y'all ain't got no food for him? Throw him maybe.
We only feed the parrots and the ducks. And
Oh, I was saying y'all might could get him to come out.
oh.
John, that is nice, yo.
I'm gonna see.
It look like they just built that thing. That's a
You know the
nice.
peacock right there beside them. The peacock right there beside the toucan.
I'm gonna
Does this thing keep down? Look at the
get out her
the what's called.
Oh yeah, that's when they mating though. That's
They
what I
doing
found
good.
out when I did the research.
Wow, I know they ain't got none of them though. They're more like a dinosaur. They got one of them, man. Oh,
When we going to the feeding zone, I'm gonna do
going to the who?
We gotta put on the what time is it?
You going to the what?
2 or 3.
It ain't no 2 or 3.
It is.
Come on,
What?
back to the feeding zone. They
Feeding.
yeah, with the parakeets, they only do 2 times of feeding. 2 o'clock.
What is
increments. We feeding the parakeets. Right there back where we was at.
Going back to where we was at.
Going back to the landing zone right here. Feeding started at 2 o'clock and they only do it at certain times. They're not gonna have it open. I don't know if you probably see the people. I'm glad we didn't get too far where we had to turn around. That was fast though. Time rolling. It's 2 hours.
He's got my space, I got mine.
What you need? I guess I will see any therapy.
I got fruit 1 down.
singing.
Can I get the other feeding bag?
It's in my hand. I'll hold the stuff while you and Gregory go. And then y'all can
It's on my
hold my
feet.
stuff. Yeah. I'm going in there.
Video, video. Video, in case you didn't.
Let's pull that door, TJ. Gregory, I'll take the bag. Here you go. I guess we can.
What's that?
That's for the feed the bird.
They said it was closed.
Here, TJ. Y'all going in, right? I'm just hold the stuff while y'all feeding that.
Why I say closed?
Huh? They open. That's what we walked back here for.
I said, why I say closed?
I don't know. The people ain't doing like they supposed to. You know what type of world we live in.
Okay. I can read.
Hi guys, welcome in.
Read. I don't know what they doing.
Wow, you guys are so fashionable. Thanks for calling in. Just remember to walk. Be careful about birds and you. Please, you don't want to step on anyone. Thank you.
What is this?
Yeah. Come over here.
Oh. This is shorter than I'm talking. Yeah, all this. Jeez. The other thing they don't come get. I love the thing I'm trying to get.
There you is. That's all the eggs you gotta stick it out. That's all the eggs. She said there's most of them in the house.
That's why I ain't hungry. You know, I'm making it. I know I ain't hungry, none of them hungry. Yeah, if I ain't hungry, you don't make it good. I don't get it. I ain't gonna sit on my hand out. And then get shitted on. I just don't get it. I was having fun. Well,
That's this area.
you get shitted on.
You want to try later?
They just saying that they ain't one ain't. It's just like fish. If one ain't hungry, they ain't hungry. They just ain't hungry.
Gregory said,
No,
I
I
was
was.
the pond. Look at that lady. She going.
Look at the bird.
That's what Elliot said.
They get shitted on.
She won't stand that.
Science is really nice at a golden pageant.
That's why I said that. Yeah. He can't even put it in their mouth. They ain't hungry. That is wild, yo.
Yeah, they ain't doing nothing.
Nah, they ain't hungry now. Maybe we can get to the magpie. Maybe we can get to the magpie. You just left your bag out there? Why though?
Enjoy the rest of the
Because
park.
of the world we live in.
Alright, y'all are good. Pick them in now. Some people in my class.
Just the stuff. You see the story and stuff there. Gregory said the world we live in. Somebody need to take bag Gregory. Huh? Put it in here. Here.
It's a stopping point all the way down right there.
Later. They just opened up. I don't see why they weren't hungry.
I mean, that dude, he was trying to stick it to him. I'm like, if they do eat it, well, I mean,
But
if they was hungry, all of them would be eating. They just
Yeah.
ain't hungry.
yeah.
Cause people come in there and do that all the time.
But
That's
what
why.
we don't understand, they just opening it up. They just opened that too.
But still, in one day, you know how much they're gonna eat if people come in there and do that all the time? They probably had to go a couple of days. Cause see, that's why a bird shit like that, so he can get rid of the weight so he can fly.
That ant is on the ground.
I'm pretty sure it's just, I know my fish do that sometimes. Sometimes they won't eat for days. The food will just put it in there, they won't eat it.
We should go to Africa. We're about to go to Africa.
Let's do this. Let's do this shit here. Let's go ahead and try going down, shoot. Fuck. So they're gonna try going, shoot. That's nice. Yeah, like fossils. And so they must do this they must have parties at night too. See, they got the gas heaters back there and the lights.
Someone just found this random forest and turned it into a bird park.
They came up with it, planned it, and put it in action. Came up with the idea, came and got the land, contacted people for the animals, regulated it. But yeah, it all started with a thought.
This ain't a state park.
It's something all the way over there.
It's right here. It is big. It ain't the big one that y'all were trying to touch though.
Yeah,
This is the end, like you said, TJ, ain't it?
Oh, you go through all that.
Oh yeah, the lady did.
The lady down.
Come back there.
Son, look at that joker, boy. That joker is one thing.
It is big. That other one bigger. Look at it.
Son, that joker looking one. That joker is. That's a pretty blue ain't it? I don't know, a lot of people drive out there. Darn, there's plenty of stuff out there. I don't see no signs that don't go by there. Oh, this thing. What
did they say the name of the birds was, Gregory?
What? A causeway or something? I don't understand what the heck that is. Oh.
No, it's
Oh, you can't go by there. You can't go by there.
I said, won't you just stand back there with me?
Says staff do not enter. Oh, great.
You the one said
I had to go and see it first. I seen no signs for it. Really childish as fuck. Yeah, they communicate. That time of the day, it's their time of the day, probably about time to eat, boy.
Oh, they is mating.
Nah, they ain't mating.
That's loud.
Them jokers too loud. Causewary. I don't understand why I don't. That one's even worse. Oh, great. I gotta get this right here. Yeah, they have them partition this because they can roll the plastic down right there and make it and close it in. That is nice. So they gotta have parties in there. Oh, this thing is being buried. Very active. In memory of Bill Toll. Oh, that's why they named it that. And they got television in there too. Computer, I mean, some type of computer. Oh, they got a projector right there. Mm-hmm. Keeper talk. Damn, it's real high in the air. Huh? Damn, what is in there? Oh, Keeper talks. Bird keeper here music. Damn, look at him. Damn, that joker, man. Get that joker here, boy. Is that the only one in there?
We put that right there. So.
That joker got that good by itself.
And reducing the spread of bacteria and disease. That's a clean bird. Y'all need to be like that.
Is that the only one in there? What is that? If I ain't got a big cage, I reckon they need it though. When you had the whole world and they took the whole.
He got a beak like a chicken.
He got a unique beak. Oh, you just sit in that thing.
Because it's shaped like a chicken beak.
Huh? Oh, yeah. That is crazy. Damn.
Maybe the bird's hungry now.
Nah, we'll hit them on the way going out. Because that's going back toward the car.
Mm-hmm. So I just gotta get used to it. South
And down there to Africa now, she's graduated.
South America. Oh, the flamingos. Damn. I said the flamingos. Man, that's what you call them? Is this a state?
Hi.
How y'all doing? Is this a state-owned park? I see you looking at my camera like that, man. You looking at my camera like that. I don't see nobody else out here recording this shit. Right.
Birdie.
Oh, wow. I didn't even know we could come in here. I didn't know you could come in. I thought all of them you just...
Yeah, that's why I was saying you had to come around.
Oh, yeah.
The names of it and everything. You was asking me what kind it was. I told you.
Yeah, I would imagine. They gotta
He
be.
greedy.
I'm surprised they don't bust open. I mean, could people come in here and feed them all them? But I don't think they
He greedy. You gotta show some with your
they don't eat meat, so I don't think they eat like that. I don't know why this thing don't want to.
That's a greedy bird.
They're not pretty pink either, you know that? Damn, boy, they got a lot of bugs. Well, that thing like an eye. Look at his beak, man. That thing is long. That is crazy, yo. I mean, them things got long beakers. Long beakers. What TJ do? Oh.
I was about to walk up to him, but he